Hey, I'm Will Coleman. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making a spiced pork tenderloin with a chimichurri sauce. I love this recipe because the spice blend makes it so special. We have paprika, we have garlic powder, salt and pepper, and we're also using some coconut sugar for a little bit of sweetness. Though if you don't have coconut sugar on hand, no worries, you can swap it out for brown sugar. We're gonna sear our pork tenderloin with that beautiful rub until it's golden brown to develop a nice crust that's gonna be delicious at the end. And then we're gonna add some chimichurri sauce on top of it. If this recipe sounds delicious to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future recipe videos. For this recipe, I'm using a cast iron skillet. I'm gonna add my pork tenderloin right in there on the stove to sear into golden brown, and then put it in the oven until it's fully cooked. And now we're gonna combine our spices. I have my garlic, paprika, coconut sugar, a nice big pinch of salt, and then some fresh black pepper. We're gonna give this a mix and then coat our pork all over. We're gonna rub our spice onto both sides of the pork and get all that flavor packed in. We don't wanna waste any of those delicious spices. We're gonna add some olive oil into our pan. And once our pan is hot, we're going to add our pork tenderloin right in. We're gonna allow our pork tenderloin to sear on both sides for 5 minutes. Cool. Now it's time for my favorite part, slicing the pork. I'm gonna slice it on a bias, and you can see all those juices are still there. They didn't run out, and it's gonna be extra juicy. This pork is like cutting like butter. Wouldn't have it any other way. For our final step, I'm gonna drizzle on some of that chimi right on top of our pork. This looks gorgeous, and I know it's gonna taste even better. So here you have it, our spice rub pork tenderloin with our chimi all on top. This recipe is perfect with mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, or a heaping serving of rice. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. And thanks for watching, and be sure to cook happy.